Spanish flag, ShipOwner 517. When you have the lowest the price of the stock exchange, some really panic, and some think, well, now is the right time to enter in the market and buy cheap. Why? Because never ever we have had 99 zero ships under Spanish flag. It was like 25 years ago, 300 ships, and even more before the Armada was like 600 ships, but now it's just 90. Why? Because this bureaucracy in Spain, no one changes nothing. If you are a government worker, you're just gonna let things stay. No one is gonna adapt and cut bureaucracy or costs or fines or inquisition or social security, more tax and more inquisition. Well, this is rule of thumb without Europe. Now, all the countries are just like that. So it's really an opportunity. Of course it is. No other country has one day on board equals 2 days shore for retaining talent. So this is a huge competitive advantage. Now, 90% grant social security of employer instead of 28% is 2.8, including unemployment, pension, social security, sanitary assistance, the whole lot. Then we also have 50% income tax reduction if a LNG captain has, let's say, 90K, pays of 45. So the bracket is not 45%, but it is something like 18% of 45K. Hope it's all clear now. And that's a huge competitive advantage. There is a grant of 90% profit type, but that doesn't apply much in shipping because it's international business. So it is a huge opportunity. Now, perhaps you want to have in Espanol. Why? Because then you're cutting 26%. Because if you add the constraint of English, you can add as much as you want. You can add ketchup, you can add potatoes, you can add dessert, starters, you can add whatever. But then you have to pay for it. Yeah, be smart and change to Espanol. Yes, 26% less. So then, if you're really thinking about adapting to your cost and having your company being competitive, you need a crew management company because you cannot defend these castle, the barriers, without huge ammunition of 150,000 seafarers in the database, many of them Españoles and Latinos and so, and experienced, because this, in order to defend this Spanish flag, I mean, these Inquisition guys, bureaucratic guys, they will do nothing for their own flag. So you need to have really black belt, 7 dan or 8 dan, yes, in order to defend yourself. But we are here. We have been doing this for many, 126 years. So if you want to adapt your company to the Spanish flag, do it. If you want to take away the constraint of English, por supuesto, 26%, 26%. Yeah, that's roughly calculation and statistical. So think about it. Gracias. Thank you. Bye.